If your Ecobee keeps saying no Wi-Fi, you're definitely not alone. Let's fix it together, step by step. First, check if your home Wi-Fi is working with other devices. If your phone or laptop connects, we know your internet's fine. Next, head over to your Ecobee thermostat. Tap Menu, then Settings, and then Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If it's already on, try reconnecting. Select your network and enter your password again. Double check for typos. It happens to the best of us. Still not working? Restart your Ecobee by pulling it off the wall for about 10 seconds, then snapping it back in place. This quick reboot can often solve connection glitches. If you're using a dual-band router, make sure your Ecobee is connecting to the 2.4 GHz band, not 5 GHz. Ecobee thermostats work best with 2.4 GHz. Still stuck? Try moving your Wi-Fi router closer to your Ecobee, or remove anything that could block the signal, like walls or big appliances. If nothing works, reach out to Ecobee support for help. They're friendly and quick to respond. And that's it. With a few simple steps, your Ecobee should be back online and keeping your home comfy.